Ashley. I'm a guest sewist for the Fab Click shop, and I just got my September Solid Essentials, and I'm so excited to open it up. I've literally been stalking the mailman, waiting for this to come in. Right, here I go. Oh my gosh, I already see greatness. Oh, wow. Okay, look at these. These are so incredibly beautiful. These are perfect for fall. This gorgeous sweater material. Oh, wow. It's so pretty. It's got, it doesn't seem to have very much vertical stretch, but horizontally, it's got a good amount of stretch there. It's very soft on this side, and it's got a really good texture on this side, really nice strong loops. And this seems to be the same type of material. Wow, it's a beautiful sweater material, but it's also lightweight, which is perfect for me because I'm in Texas and it's gonna be quite warm here for a while. It has the same amount of a really great horizontal stretch and then just like a minimal amount of vertical stretch. I am seeing cardigans, I'm seeing sweaters. I am very excited to create with this. And I can't believe it's just like $25, shipping included, for 3 yards of gorgeous fabric. Thank you so much. I'm excited to sew this.